Next, a function fx is defined as fx is equal to greatest integer 2 raised to the power 2x by 3 plus greatest integer 2 raised to the power 2x plus 1 upon 3. And I need to find for all real x, this is defined as this is greatest integer less than or equal to x. So I have to find the value of f of 30. So in this type of questions, generally there is a pattern, there is a fixed pattern to these questions, because it is asking me the value of f of 30 and answer is given in this format. So let's just observe the pattern. Let's just find the value of f of 1 first. F of 1 will be greatest integer 2. When I place x as 1, it becomes 2 square by 3 plus greatest integer of 2, that is 2 raised to the power 3 upon 3. So it will become 4 by 3, greatest integer of 4 by 3 plus 8 by 3, or it will become, this is 1 point something plus it will be 2 point something. So greatest integer of 1 point something will be greatest integer less than or equal to 1 point something. So it is 1 plus 2, that is 3. Let's just find the value of f of 2. F of 2 becomes 2 raised to the power 4 by 3 plus 2 raised to the power 5 by 3. So it becomes 2 raised to the power 4 is 16. 16 by 3 is 5 point something plus, because 16 by 3, 5, 15 points, so 5 point something. 2 raised to the power 5 is 32. 32 by 3 is 10 point something. So it becomes 5 plus 10, 15. One thing I can observe, 3 is 2 square minus 1. If I write this answer in this form, I can say it becomes 2 square minus 1. 15 is 2 raised to the power 4, 16 minus 1. Let's just calculate even further. For x is equal to 3, it becomes 2 raised to the power 6 by 3 and 2 raised to the power 7 by 3. 2 raised to the power 6 is 64 by 3. 64 by 3 is 21 point something plus 2 raised to the power 7 is 128. 128 by 3 is 42 point something, which turned out to be this is 63, and again yes, this is 2 raised to the power 6 minus 5. So I can say if I place x as n, the answer comes out to be 2 raised to the some power minus 1, and that power is, for x equal to 1 this power is 2, for x equal to 2 this power is 4, for x equal to 3 this power is 6. So I can say it is 2 raised to the power 2n minus 1. So what is asked, what is the value of f30? It is 2 raised to the power 60 minus 1. So correct answer is option B.